So in true YouTuber fashion, I'm late. I actually got a 911 call right before I'm supposed to be off work, and that results in me having to, respond and take care of the person. And by the time I got back, it was well past the time I needed to leave to go to Ed's machine. So at this point, I don't know if I'm going to make it or not, but we'll find out. Well, good morning, everybody. So I'm here at the old Buff's garage, and I just loaded up a 6-liter LQ9 LS engine that came out of a 2004 Cadillac Escalade, and threw it in the old SUV, and I'm headed down to Arkansas to meet Ed's machine, and we're going to talk about what we're going to do to this engine and hopefully get it ready for the Trans Am that's sitting in the garage. Will it be done in time? No Name Nationals is like 258 days away whenever this video comes out. So we'll see. Well, I'm honored to come see Ed at Ed's Machines.
Well, we're glad to have you.
Now
Come on in.
Yeah, I got to get an engine in here now.
And this is headquarters.
I love it. Yep.
Is it a lot different than the videos? I don't think the videos do it justice.
You don't get the full
Magnitude.
Yeah.
The Comic is a lot bigger than you get.
Yep.
This is kind of my pride and joy here. So,
Beautiful.
I mean, it all is, but.
Yeah, I pulled that engine out today. It's been sitting a long time, and I went, I think it's probably not as good as I thought it was. But I have no doubt you can make it pretty. Like that.
This is a 406 Chevrolet, and it's like about a 10 1/4, 10 after 1. It's got Urson hydraulic roller, Gatorman hydraulic roller lifters, Urson valve train, everything, Harlan Sharp rockers. You can get a glimpse of the outside of the exhaust port. This is some of our more extreme work. Why that lathe's been so good all these years.
Yeah, because it's a Pontiac. Wow.
Because some guys have this old theory where you got sag in the block,
Right.
hanging out there.
Hanging,
So
yeah, I can see
and
that.
so typically I never set a crank that way. So
You just lay it out.
yeah, valve grinder. And just to let you know, we actually, this do obviously like the pin end, and this is like a rod end. they don't have this attachment. They got a cat grinder, but they don't have this attachment. This is the only way you can, when you do line honing, that you can square the cap up at 90 degrees to the original factory machining.
Oh, wow.
So, and they quit making them for years, and then recently they've started reproducing them the exact same thing. The variable speed all still works, and for the most part, I've been the only one that's ran it its whole life. He was a manufacturer's representative. They go around, they sell this kind of equipment. So he goes to the shop, and he goes somewhere over in Oklahoma, and goes in there, and they're kind of country guys, you know. We're all good with country, and they go back there, and they said, "Y'all sell them good grinders?" Good grinders? Yeah, you know, them good ones. Well, what kind? That Syox brand. And of course, Sue.
Yep.
And so he was calling it Syox. He said, "We sell them Syox grinders." You never want to correct someone in the middle of a purchase.
Yep.
So he sold them good Syox grinders, but not a old machine. They never took care of it.
Okay.
And the power column was all seized up. We took that apart, all cleaned it. So we've cleaned up most everything, and it needs to be cleaned again. But I'm going to build a new guard. And the front guard's good, but I'm going to kind of reproduce the back when I get caught up.
Yeah.
Like it looks like I'm going to be caught up anytime soon.
Yeah, it's totally going to happen tomorrow.
This mechanism, so I'm going to have to reproduce all of it. This way you don't get too dirty.
So I just got done at Ed's machine. We got an awesome tour of the shop. Got to see all the stuff he's working on, all the awesome tools and machines that he's got. We got some pretty fun plans for the 6-liter. It's an LQ9, and we just made the car fart. So Ed and I have some pretty cool plans for the 6-liter. It's gonna be pretty awesome. It's not gonna be the stock 400 horsepower that came with that LQ9. I think we're gonna bump it up just a smidge. That's the beauty of working with somebody like Ed, who's been doing this for so long. He knows the secrets, and he knows the people that also know the secrets. So we're going to be putting some secrets into the engine, but build it totally stock. It's completely stock. Trust me, everything is stock, just maybe a little better than stock. So you're going to see that coming up, and as that engine develops, you can head on over to Ed's machine on his YouTube channel and watch that build evolve. And then, of course, we'll be finishing the assembly on Buff's garage to drop into that 82 Trans Am. So hang in there. There's more to come, guys.